Hello again. This is actually part of the law of sines, finding the area of a triangle using these three formulas. And they are area equals 1/2 BC sine of A, area equals 1/2 AC sine of B, area equals 1/2 AB sine of C. And if actually you want to prove or derive the law of sines, which I actually erased, but I already taught it anyways, is you'd set them equal and then you divide by 1/2 ABC. And basically what happens is the 1/2 cancels and then these cancel and you're left with, over C, over B, over A. Really quite cool. Anyways, so you want to find the area of a triangle. Let's just say it's not a 90-degree triangle. It's not a right triangle, so you can't just use 1/2 length time, 1/2 base times height. You can actually use the law of sines, or an area formula from it, to figure it out. And here's my example. I've got A, it equals 5. C equals 6. And B equals 112. Clearly not drawn to scale. It doesn't really matter. All you got to do is be given this information. You have to be given two sides and then an angle measure of the side that's not given. And I look at this formula and I say, well, which one do I use? Well, I'm like, okay, I'm given the angle of B. Am I given A and C? Yes, I am. So I'm going to use this formula right here. Area equals 1/2 times my A value, which is 5, times my C value, which is 6, times the sine of 112. I don't know what the sine of 112 is off the top of my head, but I know that it's less than 1 and it's positive. So area equals 5 times 6, which is 30, times 1/2, which is 15, times the sine of 112, which I still don't know. So I actually have to plug that into my calculator. And when I go ahead and do that, I get about 0.927. I'm not going to round yet, I'm just going to multiply it by 15. And I get about 13.9. So my area is 13.9. If each side were measured in meters, it'd be meters squared. If it was measured in inches, it'd be inches squared, etc. But that's how you can use these formulas to figure out the area of a triangle. Really cool, really easy. And, it's not going to be a 90-degree triangle or right triangle, so it actually is pretty helpful. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Have a good day. Goodbye.